Hey, real quick, are you tired of paying for every single AI tool out there just to test them out? What if I told you there's a way to try over 500 AI tools completely free? From ChatGPT to Claude to Gemini, all in one place. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. If you're into powerful AI tools that help you save time or make money online, go ahead and hit that subscribe button now. And make sure to stick around till the end, because I'll show you a trick to get even more free credits you might not know about. Now I'll give it a try. Open, Google, type MyLens AI, and press Enter. Click on the first result, that's the main page of the tool. In the upper right corner, you'll see two buttons, Get Started and Sign In. If you don't have an account yet, just click Get Started to create a new one. It's quick. I already have one, so I'll click Sign In for convenience. Oh, and you can also log in with Google. It's faster, and you don't have to remember a password. Once you're signed in, this is the main interface of MyLens AI. The left column is where you can manage your account, subscriptions, etc. In the middle is where you enter your information. You can choose from a variety of file types such as PDF, web page, YouTube link, image, long text, or CSV Excel. You can also choose from a variety of display styles, mind map, timeline, table, flowchart, etc. What I really like is that you can click on parts of the mind map to expand the content. In this demo, I will try with a simple question. What is photosynthesis? I choose the display type as Mind Map. That is, Mind Map. MyLens will process it in a few seconds, and boom! A clear diagram appears on the screen. In the middle is photosynthesis, then radiates small branches such as sunlight, CO2, water, green plants, and the product is oxygen. Very easy to understand, extremely intuitive. What I like most about this is that you can choose other display styles, not just mind maps. For example, this time, I will choose Timeline. Immediately after that, MyLens will create a clear timeline, arranging the steps of photosynthesis in order, from absorbing light to converting energy, then creating oxygen and sugar. It is very intuitive, helping you visualize how the whole process takes place in each stage. Of course, if you want to learn about another topic, you can enter your own questions, no need to use the suggestions. One thing I really appreciate is that the created diagram is freely editable. You can add new branches, delete unnecessary parts, or edit the information the way you want. This is very convenient if you want to use it for lectures, presentations, or exam preparation. Once finished, you can save it or share it via link to friends, students, or colleagues. Anyone with the link can open the diagram and timeline you created. On the main interface, you can zoom in and out to see more details. If you want to delete a diagram that is no longer used, just select it, click on the three dots in the right corner, and select Delete. That's it. Finally, you can download the diagram to your device to view offline, or send it via email, Google Classroom, or anywhere you want. Give it a try, and if you have any tips for using MyLens, please share them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more great videos from Next Gen AI Lab. Thanks for watching until the end. See you in the next video.